Hello guys, this is Joseph, the Day Trader and SMC Strategy channel. And today we're going to talk about the Ethereum market today. So first, right now it's 2025 for April 10, 3 p.m. So we're going to talk about the price and the market before this moment, especially the New York time this morning, because we can see here there's a major downtrend here. And soon I will explain how I get profit during this moment and why I get into this price at that moment. So I'll explain that. But before that, I want to talk a little bit recent market around these 2 days, because we can see here there's a major uptrend. So this is happening yesterday 1 p.m. because of the fake news. Seems like it's fake news about Trump. So price get up. It's about import tax, and the price got up crazy soon after the news release. I don't know if it's true or not, but I think it's fake because we can see the price drop down very quickly after the breakout. And right now it's almost the same point as before the news. So I assume it should be a fake news. And this shows us how a news, whether it's true or false, it can bring majority change in the market. So yesterday we got a high point around 5 p.m. After that we have a classic Asian time zone. It's a slow downtrend between this area. It's a beautiful downtrend here. Usually we don't trade between this moment because it's not really profitable, and you should hold these so much time to get from the high point to lower point. And in the London time, it's almost nothing change. But we do see an outbreak here. It's around 8:30. Almost every day, 7:30, 8:30, there's a liquidity grab, or today I think it's because of the POI news, POI release, so the price get up. The POI is lower, so naturally all the investments like stocks will get up. Let's check Apple. Yeah, Apple get up too today. So that's the reason why price go up at this moment. But in SMC strategy, we can see as a liquidity grab because we can see here there's no break of structure or BOS, a continuing of structure, just stay in the same zone. After that, we have a liquidity grab. So at this moment, I noticed this is a chance of get into a market. We always talk about like there's two major ways to get into a market in SMC strategy. When it's after a liquidity grab, and the other one it's the order block, like here. Here's a strong order block. If you can see from here, strong order block coming by a strong big fair value gap here. So you can see the fair value gap. But we have to know this is not a real good fair value gap and order block, because this prices get up by fake news or news. So it's not very strong. So we can see today it's easily outbreak by the trend. So today, at this point, when I see a liquidity grab, soon I get into a market in this point. Okay, this entry point. So this is my entry point. I do a good stop loss at a higher high. You can go here because there's a small 15 minutes fair value gap here. Soon get touched, but normally it will not touch twice. They only use first time and then soon get pushed back down. We can see here the market price changing. The first candle here touch this small support and soon get pushed back to fill the fair value gap, 15 minutes small fair value gap. And then next candle just outbreak hold the structure. And which candle we get in? Normally it should be, sorry, not this one. What can we? Normally we entry the market here. Why? Because it's a retest. So when it outbreak the structure, normally it will retest this supply price here once, and then soon continue dropping, continue the price acting. So what we have to do is first we wait for outbreak. Okay, let's get first outbreak, 2 retests, 3 entry. But it depends, like why we can use this setup, because the liquidity grab here. So this is a major signal, liquidity grab. After that, the price just keep falling down. And where should I stop this? Like the profit, I stop just here. Why? Because still considering about this big fair value gap. It's also in 4-hour zone. You can see here, still big. So I choose to stop in the middle. But soon you can see like the price just get down to this order block. But either way, you can choose to get half of profit here and then continue looking if the price going down or get pushed back by the fair value gap. Or you can just stop hold the profit here, take all your profit, both works. And for me, I took all the profit here. And this is a very successful trade here by 15 minutes chart. And also we can check by 4 hours. 4 hours chart shows us there's already a downtrend here. And it just get touch the 4-hour fair value gap here. So this gives us evidence to entry the market to. Once it touch, the price go push back and push down. So if you are using the SMC strategy, this is another interesting point too. If you already found this, you can entry this here. There's no problem with that, but we just want to be safe, so we choose to wait until the outbreak and not entry between the news POI release. That's the more safe way of doing trade. But if you want, when it touch fair value gap, you always can make a small try, for example like this, and you just put a little bit above and continue until the next fair value gap. So we can see the 4 hours show us here's the big fair value gap here. It's 4-hour fair value gap. So if you entry here, maybe we can target the profit point just here. That will be more, it's a 3.5, very good risk and profit. But also if you entry here, it's not bad, also very good. when you retest and you entry here, you will also get a 3.1 profit and risk. So also we regard it as a very good trade here. So that's the market today. And we're talking a little bit above that because I think a lot of people are interested about the market in the future. So let's talk about a little bit more. Okay, let me delete these and those. Okay. Okay, so here, first we can see here's a big support zone. So or order block. In SMC, we call it order block or support, and soon get pushed back by the order block. But it seems like the pushback is not strong because we can turn it into 1 hour. Like the candle, the majority candle is not going up very good. It's not very big as this one. It's not as big as this one, or it's not as big as this one. This big candle here. It's a 1 hour chart right now. So you can see 1 hour chart candle. It's not pushed back as strong as that one too. And you can see the candle is getting smaller right now. It means the pushing up, it's almost stopped. It's almost get stopped here, right? Just here, this fair value gap here. This is a downtrend fair value gap. So you can see once it touch, it get pushed back directly. Let's change to 50 minutes market. So we will see, I assume the price will get here. So we have the first pushback. First pushback just here. And the following will be like this. First is just break this into a lower low to this area. This also considering a order block here. It's a strong low here. I will call this strong low. Strong low means the price which everybody don't want to be breakout. Like the price should be reject here some way, or the price get down and get pushed back again and to the second fair value gap here, the second one, and then continue get pushed back down to the order block. So that's my future assume of this market. Okay, so that's the market today or these 2 days. And thank you for watching. If you want to learn more strategy about smart money concept, or you have any question, you can leave a comment below or find me in WhatsApp. Just check the link down. And if you don't know which exchange you want to use, just use Ibit. Use my link to download the exchange. And I will continue sharing the concept and the market. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.